Hello everyone. Today we are going to be taking a look at order of operations, PEMDAS. You might have heard your teacher say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That is also another way that you could remember. They use this just to get you guys to remember in what order we are going to be working through these problems, because there is a specific, when problems start looking like this, there is a specific order in which you have to do them or else you'll get the wrong answer. So this is the order that you're going to have to do them in. Parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication or division, it depends which one comes first. We're going to be doing them from left to right. And same thing with addition and subtraction. Whichever one comes first from left to right is which one we're going to be doing first. So let's look at this. Here we have a problem that has both subtraction and addition. Now, which one are we going to do first, the subtraction or the addition? Well, whichever one comes first from left to right, as if you were reading a book. You read starting over here, moving along the page from left to right. So you do 4 minus 2 first, and you get 2. Then you add the 5, and you get 7. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. And this is the correct answer. Now, if you were to do it the wrong way, if you were to do addition first, then you would get the wrong answer, because 2 plus 5 would give you 7. And then you would bring down 4 and then the minus. So it would be 4 minus 7, which is negative 3. And the correct answer is 7, not negative 3, which is why you have to work them from left to right in addition and multiplication. So this is addition and multiplication. We're also going to do it with division and multiplication. So this is addition and subtraction. You go from left to right. Same thing goes for multiplication and division, which is what we're going to do next. You also go from left to right. So here we see that this problem deals with both division and multiplication. But again, you have to go from left to right, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. The right way is starting off with 10 divided by 5, which gives you 2. Then you bring down the times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. This is the correct answer. But if you do it the wrong way, if you don't go from left to right, then you do 5 times 2, and that gives you 10. And you bring down the 10 and the division sign. And 10 divided by 10 is 1. It's not the right answer. So you always want to go from left to right. And remember that multiplication and division go before addition and subtraction. But you still have to go from left to right on both of them. So let's move on to this big problem, okay? So in this big problem, we have a little bit of everything. Remember, look back, what's first? Parentheses. So we look at the problem and we see if we have any parentheses. Well, yes, we do. Here we have a 6 minus 3 inside of this parentheses. So that is what we're going to do first. 6 minus 3 is just 3. Now, you can rewrite the problem as you go. Once you get better at it, you won't have to do that. But for right now, rewrite the problem. Okay, so we did the parentheses. Look back. What's next? Exponents. Look to see if you have any exponents. Yes, we do. Here's the 2. Now, 3 squared, or 3 to the second power, is not 6, because it's not 3 times 2, it's 3 times 3, which makes the answer 9. Again, rewrite everything. 4 plus 2, the 9 is in parentheses, divided by 2. Okay, so now what's next? Multiplication and division, whichever one comes first from left to right. So we look to see what comes first. We have multiplication here and division here, but which one comes first from left to right? The multiplication, so that is what we're going to do first. 2 times 9 is 18. Again, rewrite. Now what we're left with is addition and multiplication. Well, what comes first? Here is division and here is addition. Which one comes first? The addition, so we do that one first. And you get 9 plus 4. The last step.
Try it again.
What did I feel like I mixed up something.
Yeah.
What did I mix up? Did I mix up the words again?
Mm-hmm.
So here we have both multiplication and division. Which one are we going to do first? Well, if we look over here, we have to go from left to right. So which one of these comes first from left to right? The multiplication does. So we do that, and we get 18. And now we can do the division because division comes before addition. Even though addition is on the left, division still comes first because of this chart. Division is on top of addition, so it comes first regardless of whether the addition is on the left. So we divide, 18 divided by 2 is 9, and then we have 4 plus 9, which is just 13. So the answer to this whole problem is 13. Now just remember in what order you should do them. Write this down on your paper and look at it if you have to see which comes first. You do parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, whichever one comes first from left to right. Then addition and subtraction, whichever one comes first from left to right. And I hope that with practice you guys can get better at these and it'll get easier. Thank you for watching.